Welcome, Dr. Ryan Alter, your Delray Beach chiropractor, and I want to teach you something today. Why do chiropractors focus on adjusting the spine? Well, our spine is made up of 24 movable bones called vertebrae, and everything we've done, slips, falls, bends, twists, long car rides, sports injuries, work injuries, even car crashes, can and will cause these small vertebrae to shift. And when that happens, it puts pressure on nerves. And what can that lead to? Well, it can lead to pain, but it can also lead to numbness, tingling, weakness, even tightness and stiffness, headaches, or a number of other named symptoms. And my job, the chiropractor's job, is to find out which vertebrae are causing the problem and make adjustments to those vertebrae and get the pressure up and off those nerves. And we do that all without the use of drugs, needle injections, or surgery.